Today I'm going to share my baked macaroni and cheese recipe with you. So let's get started. 2.5 cups of macaroni, 2 cups of cheddar, 2 cups of Gouda, 4 ounces of cream cheese, half a cup of butter, 2 cups of milk, half a cup of flour, and salt and pepper. We're going to add macaroni to salted boiling water and stir it around so it doesn't stick. And while that's cooking, we're going to grate our cheese. If you have a cheese grater like this, you can just lay it down, and when the cheese touches the top of the grater, you have about 2 cups of cheese ready. So one way of looking at how to measure the cheese. By the time you're done grating your cheese, you want to check your macaroni and see if it's all cooked. Once it is, you're going to drain it and set it off to the side. And now we're going to start making our roux. Take your half a cup of butter, melt it down. Then we're going to take a half a cup of flour and slowly stir that in, making sure that the flour is not lumpy. Incorporate it into the melted butter by stirring it. Once you have that all mixed together, you want to take your 2 cups of milk and begin stirring this, and now the roux will begin to thicken. I'm going to place my 4 ounces of cream cheese in there so it begins to melt. The roux is now thickened. I'm going to add my macaroni back into the pot and mix it together until the cream cheese has been fully incorporated. Once that's happened, I'm taking my grated cheese and mixing that in until it's nice, creamy, and it looks like the cheese is mostly melted. Now I'm going to put my salt and pepper in it to taste, and then I'm going to stir it in, get it nicely incorporated. This recipe will make a 9 by 13 casserole, but I'm going to divide mine up into 2. So I'm making it 8 by 8 today, and then I'm going to put the rest in a freezer bag and freeze it so I'll have it ready. Put on my 8 by 8, I'm going to put some shredded cheese on top of that and make sure it covers it completely all the way to the edge. Then I'm going to put it in an oven at 400 degrees for about 15 minutes. So I bagged half of it, and now I'm going to bag half of it. I'm going to put mine in the oven at 400. And there it is, finished, complete, bubbling, nice and brown top on the macaroni and cheese. Well, I hope you give this recipe a try. I think you'll find it to be delicious. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your baking.